Hey Wanderlusters and City Explorers, welcome back to the channel. You've seen the Empire State, you've battled the Times Square crowds, and you've probably walked across the Brooklyn Bridge. But what if I told you there's a whole other New York City waiting to be discovered? That's right, today we're diving deep into the Big Apple to unearth 10 incredible hidden gems that most tourists completely miss. Think charming streets, secret gardens, and delicious bites away from the endless queues, ready to unlock NYC's secret side. Let's go. First up, we're stepping back in time on the Lower East Side to visit the Tenement Museum. This isn't your typical museum. Instead of grand exhibits, you're experiencing the living history of immigrant families who built this city. You get to walk through actual apartments, hear their stories of struggle and triumph, and truly connect with New York's foundational spirit. It's incredibly moving and a powerful reminder of how far the city has come. Book your tickets in advance for this one. Our next stop requires a little insider knowledge and a ride on the 6 train downtown. Stay on past the Brooklyn Bridge City Hall stop and prepare to be transported. This is the abandoned City Hall subway station, the original southern terminus of NYC's subway system. Opened in 1904, it's a breathtaking architectural marvel, with Gustavino tile arches and intricate skylights. They don't make subway stations like this anymore. It's a fleeting glimpse, but totally worth it. SHH, we're about to enter one of NYC's most unexpected art installations. This is the New York Earth Room by Walter DeMaria. Yes, you heard that right. It's an apartment filled with 250 cubic yards of earth. It's strange, it's serene, and it forces you to slow down and consider art in a completely different way. It smells like fresh earth. Even in the middle of Soho, it's free. But check their limited hours before you go. Grand Central is a must-see, but most people walk right past this incredible acoustic marvel. Downstairs, near the Oyster Bar, you'll find the Whispering Gallery. Stand in one corner. Have a friend stand diagonally opposite and whisper. You'll hear each other perfectly. It's all thanks to the incredible acoustics of these tiled arches. It's a fun, free, and genuinely surprising little secret. If you're looking for European charm right in the heart of Greenwich Village, you need to find Washington Mews. This private, gated street, usually open to pedestrians, feels like a secret village within the city, once home to horse stables. These buildings are now beautiful private residences. It's a tranquil escape, perfect for a peaceful stroll and some truly picturesque photos. It's like stepping onto a movie set. Okay, this isn't entirely hidden, but it's often overlooked as a free attraction. Forget those expensive harbor cruises. The Staten Island Ferry offers the best free views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline. It's a real commuter ferry, so you get an authentic experience without breaking the bank. Just hop on, enjoy the 25-minute ride each way, and soak in those iconic views. Down in the financial district, amidst the towering skyscrapers, lies a true urban oasis, the Elevated Acre. This privately owned public space is perched 7 stories above street level. It boasts a beautiful lawn, wooden benches, and some of the most unexpectedly serene views of the East River and the Brooklyn Bridge. It even has a small beer garden in the summer. It's the perfect place for a quiet break from the concrete jungle, for a dose of eerie history. Let's head to Roosevelt Island, and specifically the hauntingly beautiful Smallpox Hospital ruins. These Gothic Revival ruins, designed by architect James Renwick Jr., housed one of the nation's first hospitals dedicated to smallpox treatment. It's a designated landmark and incredibly photogenic. The contrast of the old ruins against the modern skyline is striking. It's a unique piece of New York history. Get ready to feel like you've stumbled into a fairy tale. This is Pomander Walk on the Upper West Side, tucked away between 94th and 95th Street. This private cul-de-sac features charming Tudor-style homes reminiscent of a quaint English village. It was inspired by a 1910 play called Pomander Walk and is simply enchanting. While it's residential, you can often admire it from the street, or if the gates are open, take a quick peek, and there you have it, fellow adventurers. 10 amazing hidden gems that will make your next NYC trip truly unforgettable. Skip the lines. Discover something new and see a side of New York that most people only dream of. Which one are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, happy exploring!